It's been 5 days since President Donald Trump last tweeted about Hurricane Maria hitting Puerto Rico. And his new tonality of comments Monday aren't going over well. One would think, if it takes that long to further comment after a deadly Category 4 storm racked a U.S. territory of 3.4 million people with hurricane-force winds and 40 inches of rain, the tweets would be a thoughtful response to an island in ruin. Wait, we're talking about Trump. Never mind. See also Hurricane Maria seen swirling from space in new video. Trump seemed to blame Puerto Rico for the devastation in a series of 3 tweets sent out Monday night. He negs all over Puerto Rico, from its infrastructure to financial issues, as he describes the disaster. Texas, Florida are doing great, but Puerto Rico, which was already suffering from broken infrastructure, massive debt, is in deep trouble. Donald J. Trump at Donald Trump September 26, 2017, its old electrical grid, which was in terrible shape, was devastated. Much of the island was destroyed, with billions of dollars. Donald J. Trump at Donald Trump September 26, 2017, owed to Wall Street and the banks, which, sadly, must be dealt with. Food, water and medical are top priorities and doing well. FEMA, Donald J. Trump at Donald Trump September 26, 2017. A majority of Puerto Rico's crops have been devastated, causing concerns of food shortages, and power still remains out in parts of the territory. It could remain that way for 6 months or longer. Puerto Rican citizens have said they feel forgotten after Maria, giving Trump's tweets an extra layer of scum. Everyone from climate scientists to activists were taken aback by his tweet storm. OMFG. After inexcusable days of silence about the disaster in Puerto Rico, this is what Trump has to say. TSK, it's your own fault. 1https://co90la5wa5hc. Peter Gleich at Peter Gleich September 26, 2017. Just so you know where we're going, Trump is setting the stage to blame Americans in Puerto Rico for him not being capable of doing his job. Amy Siskind at Amy Siskind September 26, 2017. Federal aid is flowing to Texas and Florida after Hurricanes Harvey and Irma, but recovery work will require long-term efforts. In contrast, the White House has yet to send a disaster aid request to Congress for Puerto Rico, which gets the process for aid money started. It sent the request for Texas 6 days after Harvey. It's expected to send one for Puerto Rico in early October, according to reports. The government has indeed sent thousands of federal employees and multiple Coast Guard ships to the territory, but Puerto Rico Governor Ricardo Rossello said the humanitarian crisis requires more help, especially from the Pentagon in terms of law enforcement and transportation support, according to the Washington Post. On the day of the storm, Trump sent out this message to Rossello, who's been generally positive about Trump's response. FEMA Administrator Brock Long arrived on the island Monday. Maria smacked Puerto Rico on September 20.